Here's a common React interview challenge. The question is about the state reducer pattern. Can you explain how it allows consumers to control state transitions externally? This concept is powerful because it lets developers decide how state should behave without rewriting the core component logic. Let's break it down. The state reducer pattern means we don't hard code state transitions inside a component. Instead, we pass in a reducer function, which decides what happens when an action occurs. Take this example. We define a reducer called toggleReducer. When the action type is toggle, it flips the current value from on to off or off to on. If the action is anything else, it just returns the existing state. Now look at the toggle component. It uses React's useReducer hook, with toggleReducer as the default. When the button is clicked, we dispatch an action of type toggle. The reducer then decides what the new state should be. By default, the state flips, but if a custom reducer is passed in, it can completely override this logic. So, how does this apply in real projects? Imagine a parent component that doesn't want the toggle to switch off once it's on. It can provide its own reducer. In that reducer, if the state is already on, it simply ignores the toggle action. Otherwise, it falls back to the normal toggle behavior. This gives maximum flexibility. The same toggle component can be reused in multiple scenarios with completely different rules, but without ever modifying the component itself. Key takeaway: the state reducer pattern equals flexible, customizable state logic, fully controlled by the consumer. It transforms rigid components into adaptable building blocks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications